I'm going to talk about something I don't usually even talk about. It's basically focusing on the roots instead of the fruits. Right now I'm here in Sedona. It's literally so amazing just climbing these red rocks. But in life, a lot of times we try to get somewhere. We're on this path, we're on this career, we're on this journey in life, and we really want to get somewhere because at the end we're going to be super happy. At the end we're going to be super at peace. At the end we're going to be super rich. Whatever it is that you're trying to do, that's the goal, but you shouldn't really focus on the goal. You should focus on what it is that's going to get you there. And focusing on the goal is focusing on the roots. It's what you get out of the situation. And so the reason why I'm bringing this up is because a lot of times we're chasing this dream, we're chasing this goal, this destination, and a lot of times it's going to be slow. It's going to be a slow path. It's going to take time, and the meaning of the point is to really enjoy the process that it takes to get to where you want to go. Really enjoy those footsteps, and really focus on your roots, who you are, why you're doing it, the fundamentals that it takes. Focus on what's going to hold you there, what's going to bring you there, and that's the root. And so building a good foundation in whatever you want to do. And so for me, I'm going on more of this spiritual path, and I really just need to be like, oh, I want to be like this super spiritual person that can just within a second be full of presence and at a state of bliss and at this higher vibration. But reality, it takes a lot of work and it takes time, and it could take my whole life, or maybe I won't even get there until I die. So focusing on the roots is focusing on the foundation of where you're going, the fundamentals. So that's me just making sure that I try to meditate every day or every other day. And I try to learn, okay, what's the best way to cope with people? What's the best way to work with people? Journaling, self-reflection, focusing on the fruits instead of the roots.